Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On our yesterday's video, we are discussing about the candlesticks pattern. Here, someone who asking about the Gujarat gas. So Gujarat gas, as per this candlestick setup, so it forms a pattern which is separating line. Okay, and also the same one which forms the spinning top and 2 days spinning top at the bottom. So there is a possible reversal. So that I replied on that comment, but today it broken about that level of 622 and reaches around 634, almost 12 rupees it moves, and based on that we are planning a trade in a option about 620 call around 10 rupees. It went up to 17.9. So this is a candle wherever it forms at the lowest level or the highest level of the day or a month. So that should be having such a great reversal at the lowest level. So that is what about our previous day candlesticks pattern. And also I was traded in IEX. I have positionally taken one position in the IEX. So after this breakout, it triggers my stop loss, and then again it forms a doji candle. This time what happened here, it is broken, but I was keeping holding the position, but this was not trigger my stop loss because of the time value lapse. Because of the time value lapse, that position got trigger my stop loss, but the same one now it is trading today around 44 rupees. Almost this stock is increased more than 40 rupees in a day. That was giving you such a great result, but unfortunately we are exited with the stop loss where I was holding the position in a 600 call option that we taken and we booked a huge loss. But there is a market, so after triggers our stop loss, then it gives you such a great amount of money. So that's happening in the market. Okay, so on this video, this is my trade about previous day, and I'm not checking about my trade today's thing with the candlesticks pattern. I was not available here to check that, and so many of them, and I got a lot of questions about the Bollinger Band intraday breakout like that they are asking you. So now I'm going to clear you some logic what you can do in based on the Bollinger Band. So that I have already created the code. So the Bollinger Band breakout hourly basis. So this one you can take instead of taking a 15 minutes. So we will find out the right stock at the right time. So that is quite difficult to follow. But hourly chart, it have a good enough time to analyze, and also we can place the orders at the real time. So hourly chart, I prefer to take a intraday. If you are, most of the people are asking to take intraday trades. So that is why I'm going to make this video. In intraday trade, I'm going to show you the Bollinger Band breakout hourly. So that will give you such a great opportunity where you can make money on intraday, right? But I'm not interested to do this because I was focusing mainly on my positional trade, and that was giving you such a great return. So I don't want to change my view on my positional. But most of the comments are commenting about intraday scanners intraday. So I have already updated the scanner on my Telegram group, and again I can share you this on Bollinger Band candlesticks pattern or Bollinger Band breakout. Okay, so what is the logic about the Bollinger Band? So I tell you the first. I already made a video, but so many of them are asking about the questions. I will remove this drawing first, and I am going to trade on 16-minute chart. And so many of again asking about to change my colors of the candle, red and green. So I was convinced with these colors, and it is giving me such a a lucky colors like that. Okay, so that is why I'm using this color. So where if you see the blue color, that is what a green candle. Where you see the red color, that is what a black color, that is what a red candle. So you should understand, or if you are taking the same stock on your chart, you will be getting the green and red color. Okay, so this color is a convinced. It is like I liked these colors though, so that is why I'm using. I'm not any idea to change these colors. Okay, and even I got so many comments about change the color to red and green like that. But I'm everyone who's saying the same, everyone who doing the watching the same, but the price are the same, right? Whatever the colors may not give you any changes on that charts, right? When it is a black color, so it should be a red candle. When it is a blue color, so it should be a green candle. So you just understand. There is nothing changes here. The price and high, low, everything was same, and the patterns, everything was same. Only just the colors, nothing about that. Okay, so I like this color, that's why I followed it, and I adapted this color, and I cannot able to change it quickly. Okay, now. So what is the Bollinger Band? So the Bollinger Band is available in the built-in indicator. So you can go and search simply in built-in indicators. You just click the Bollinger Band. So what is the logic behind the trade? When you say and IEX also having some good thing which is happening. What happened here? So how we can do the trade? So when you see that there is a Bollinger Band, it is the distance of the Bollinger Band is keep on increasing. So compared to this distance on the Bollinger Band is keep on increasing. When both the Bollinger Band is narrow or coming together or coming to gather nearby, so that time if you find any trade opportunity, so we are going to find out. That is what the Bollinger Band breakout. So for example, here the Bollinger Band is slightly going up, and again it is slightly upper band is coming towards the lower band, and lower band it moves towards the upper band. That is the logic. When there is a Bollinger Band, range is reducing once the expansion. So here the breakout and it moves back. So but this range we are calculating for a 30 candles. Previous 30 candles, that should be a range, should be the lowest. Today should be the lowest range of previous 30 candles. If it is a daily candle, so 30 days lowest range of the Bollinger, both the Bollinger upper and lower Bollinger Band. So when it is coming to each other, so there is a breakout or breakdown may happen in the stocks. That is what the important point where we are going to create a scanner, right? So in a daily basis is the 30 days, that is what almost 1 month pattern, and if it is hourly, 30 hours. Okay, 30 hours, that means 30 candles. So if you are using a hourly candle, so we are going to focus for 30 candles. So that I was coded here. Let's see the upper Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band less than the previous Bollinger Band, and that should be in almost 30, minimum 30 days. Here is the key where I am going to focus 30 hours. That means fast 30 candles. The current candle Bollinger Band range should be least one compared to last 30 candles. You got it? So compared to last 30 candles. If I am using a daily chart or a daily time frame, the Bollinger Band, current Bollinger Band levels or the distance for the upper and lower Bollinger Band should be less, that is the least one compared to past 30 days. That is the meaning of this one which I created here on our charting scanner. And then whenever either it may be upper Bollinger Band or it may be lower Bollinger Band. So when this kind of pattern it forms, so we are going to take a trade or we are planning a trade. So that is a simple one, which is find out those stock which forms such a great pattern in the intraday. So most of the people are risking intraday. Let us do the example of this stock. Maybe this range of the Bollinger Band may be, if it is the lowest level of last 30 candle or candle 30 candles, that is what hourly charts, 16 minutes. So but here somewhere distance is big compared to 30 candle. But if it is this candle I should entry and this should be stop loss, right? And then after broke out 620, it moves to 646 or 640 plus. So but this is not an exact pattern. So but to find out that exact pattern in the market, we are using the scanners and screeners, that is the scanners in a charting. So we already created here and I'm going to run the scan. So right now we don't have any stocks for our trade, right? So the normal Bollinger Band levels is 20 and 2. This is the default one, 20 and 2. Okay, you can you be able to see here the Bollinger Band values are 20 and 2. So both are same. Okay, so when it is exactly forms any candlesticks, I'm going to trade, and where you see the lot of stocks because it is intraday scanner. So lot of stocks which is forming on the day. And today, if you check that today at first 15 minutes, that is first 1 hour. So the first 1 hour, this much of stocks which forms Tata Power, Bank Baroda, City Union Bank, National Aluminium, and Jindal. These are the stocks which forms this kind of Bollinger Band breakout pattern. Either it may be up or it may be down. but this is what the starting time. So the closing time of the candle is 10:15. So we are going to focus the entry after 10:15. Okay, so when the high is broken or the low is broken, that is what the real idea where we are going to discuss here. The first one is Torrent Power, sorry, Tata Power. I think Tata Power rocks well today. And but if you check that, the scanner will identify the stock and send it as very easiest. See, compared to previous 30 candles Bollinger Band, so this is what the narrowest range. When the distance of this Bollinger Band comparatively very less than past 30 candles. So what happened in this stock? So it was forming a breakout today, I think upper Bollinger Band. So we may try to take a buy opportunities on the stocks where there is a buy opportunity around 146 and the stock moves towards 158. And simply if you are taking an entry, next candle itself it moves to 156 like that. So that is what such a great opportunity where it is present on today's intraday trade. It is not about the positional trade. I'm going to focus just for an intraday trade. And the second stock where it is Bank of Baroda. Let's say on the less value stock, but even though let's check it out what happened here. And again today market is totally negative. From the beginning market was Nifty was negative, but even though scenario Bank Nifty also today is negative by the opening itself, but these stocks are performing well in that negative market condition. So 80 is the entry point. See, 78 is your stop loss. After that the market moves 82. So somewhere 1:2 risk reward ratio that was generated for your intraday trade. But I'm not convinced about to trade in 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but maybe 1 hour may be okay. But even I was not satisfied with 1 hour trade because I will always follow the daily chart. That will give me such a great opportunity to trade because daily always gives a clear picture about the market. But most of the people who are asking about intraday kind of trade opportunities, that is why I am creating this, and this is also working well. And City Union Bank. The third one should be a City Union Bank. And City Union Bank, what happened? Oh my God. Last month, I was taken a trade in this stock 160 call option on 1st of September that I was exited with a 6-7,000 loss. But after that, I didn't focus this stock. But right now, it is giving you such a great opportunity where this stock is touches both the Bollinger Bands today. Where you see at the 9:15 candle it was triggers your both the Bollinger Bands. What it means, so we can focus for a sell level below that sell level as well as buy level. The risk for the trade is somewhere around 151 to 148, 3 rupees. After that breakout, so that was reaching around 160, somewhere around from 152 to 168 rupees movement. I think 3000 is the lot size on the stock. That is a huge movement. And after the Bollinger Band narrow, the breakout, and after that the stock stock breakout, that was working very well in intraday basis. And National Aluminium, I think it was in ban period, maybe it may be released. National Aluminium, it was also be touching the upper Bollinger Band 91.85 and it moves to 95.6. The stop loss for the trade is 88. So can you see that how it is working? Today market condition is totally negative, but these stocks are performing very well. That is the thing which we have to understand. And finally, Jindal Steel. These are the stocks which forms a first hour candle. Oh, very great move in Jindal Steel. Look at from this point and this point. So we will ignore this. This is the daily candle basis. I was mentioning this level, and this is what the level where today's forms. Jindal Steel 367, 358, almost 11 rupees stop loss. From there it went up to 384. This is the scanner which is available free of cost, which I shared on my Telegram channel, or even I can share you again with my Telegram channel. Make use of the scanner and always focus the first candle. That will give you such a great opportunity. Even we will get some result after 9:15. So this is the 10:15 candle. So NMDC. So after second candle, this was forming a second candle. Even first candle should be more powerful. We can use for a breakout. This is the candle where it is broken up for 142 and moves towards 144.8. And after that, these are the today's opportunity. Almost 12:15, we got a lot of stocks. JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, JSW, Hindalco, Hindustan Unilever and Granules Bandhan Bank. These are the stocks which forms this pattern at 12:15. That is what a 1 o'clock 15 minutes the closing candle. Let's see Hindalco, JSW Steel. Some stocks of JSW which forms here 115. That is what the starting of the candle is 12:15, the close of that 115. Where it is broken 670, in the same candle itself 680 for almost 14 points it travels. Right? And then the next one should be Hindalco. That is also moving good after closing hours. This one, that is what broke out around 487. Now it is moves towards 496. And Hindustan Unilever, Bandhan Bank, yeah, this was a failure trade. So we may see a lot of success trade. At 12:15 it gives you breakout. After that it triggers your stop loss. That is the people who always thinking for the stop loss. This is what the stop loss is, where you got a 288 and 284 is your stop loss. This is what a stop loss triggered trade. Okay, Bandhan Bank. And then Hindustan Unilever, Granules India, that was 12:15, 11:15, 12:15. So here it is entered 324. It moves to 325 and again it triggers your stop loss somewhere around 321.322. There is also be a second stop loss. Okay, and third one should be a Hindustan Unilever. And this one, it is for a selling opportunity. This is not for a buying opportunity. This is for a selling opportunity. Today's scenario where 12:15 the low is broken. After this candle, maybe it is on the cost price. It is this was trading near about your entry point. The entry point should be 2687. It made a low of 2677. Again it is closed by 2688. That is not giving you good profit. And even we got some other stocks, it is nearby closing hours, that is 2:15, that is a 3 o'clock candle. So that is why I tell you, so if you are focusing the stock which forms at first candle, that is what a 9:15 candle, even more powerful. Let's say this is about 28th, so yesterday's trade. Okay, the many stocks yesterday, I think many stocks which forms, but today almost 4-5 stocks. So even if you check this by yesterday's trade, BHEL, in the Petro, SBN, lot of stocks, right? You got it, lot of stocks which forms. I think PFC performs very well. GAIL, I think Kankar, I don't know. SBIN, let's say SBIN and BHL also performed very well yesterday, and today also it is moving good. SBIN yesterday's opening, this one, it is not giving you any opportunity, because this above this level only we are going to try to take a opportunity. SBI not given opportunity. And Titan, BHEL, let's go for a BHEL. Yesterday, these are by not today, yesterday, that is a break in 28,915. After breakout around 58, it went up to 60. Huge, 10,500 for this large size of this stock. And IOC Kankar, it's having good accuracy using this system. Kankar, IOC 121 towards 123. Container Corporation, no entry. And then PFC rocks well yesterday. I seen that yesterday. I seen PFC rocks well around after 140. It went up to 144.145, near about 145. And somewhere around Coal India also performing well yesterday. GAIL and Coal India. So you hope you got some idea about how to do. This was not giving you entry, Coal India. And then Coal India and GAIL, not giving you any opportunity. Coal India, there is an opportunity. 28th, it broken out that level of 173, not moving well, and stop loss is not triggered, but it continues today. So that is the thing which I am telling you. If you want to use this, I can share you that on my Telegram. You can go through and take it out with a free of cost, and you just follow with that what are the stocks which is coming on the intraday basis. That is what the main idea where I am focusing to trade in this basis of this candle. And also Bollinger Band on daily basis. And we got some small stocks, small quantity of stocks daily basis. For example, this is happening by 22nd September, HDFC Bank. Let's say that is daily basis. Okay, not hourly. HDFC Bank. So let's go for a HDFC Bank. That happened by here, right? 22nd September. After that, we don't get any opportunity. 1529. Now it is 1636. Almost now 1600. It is made the low, but it is not triggering your entry point. After that, it started moving higher. After that 22nd, we don't get any opportunity. Only one stock, that is Dabur, which forms the pattern in daily, where whenever it breaks below that level of, this is what a Dabur, where I'm going to trade with the Dabur tomorrow. If it is breaks below that level of 620.2, I have the stop loss of 628. So almost 8 rupees stop loss for this trade. If tomorrow it breaks below the level, so we can try to make a sale opportunity with the 8 rupees stop loss. This is not by intraday, it is a positional on daily candlesticks pattern. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you liked it, you share to your friends. If you have any question, just comment on the comment box. We will make a new video for your comments. And if you are watching these videos and new, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And I'm going to share this, I'll share to you on the Telegram channel, that code which I'm going to share you on Telegram channel. And also 15 minutes also we have created, but there is a time factor we have to focus. This is a 15 minutes time frame. Sorry, this is a daily time frame, and this is out of 15 minutes time frame. Every 15 minutes we can get a stocks. So you see lot of stocks. But today 9:30 we got this much of stocks. 9:50. Bata, Bell, Cipla, Indupetro, SBI, SAIL. Today, sorry, yesterday. This was yesterday, and today I think this 9:15. Amar Raja, Eskas, Hindustan, Zeal, Daxin, HAL, Navin Floor, Bajaj Auto. These are the stocks. If you are taking a 15 minutes time frame, you got a lot of stocks, but tracking and placing orders is a little bit tough on this much of stocks. But if you focus hourly or daily, even we will do with the sufficient basis. Thanks for watching this video, and this may be a helpful video to you all. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, like the button and share to your friends. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. And I was thankful to you all, those who are already subscribed my channel. We are reaching near about 3,800 subscribers now. I was thankful to you all because keeping me great support. Thanks for that, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.